Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here we have the brightness option. But before we enter the brightness menu, first we need to turn off the automatic brightness, because if this option is turned on, the brightness will adjust according to the surrounding light. So if we disable this option, then tap on brightness. Now we can adjust the brightness to our liking, and it won't change automatically, basically. So adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on the slider, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.